This is CSI Garrison Wesley Church is more than 150-year-old church, and we were looking out for the renovation of the interiors of the Sunday school building. Vinay Vasa, the managing director and the CEO of the Dayspring India Private Limited, has approached us, has given us a blueprint of the work that is going to do. Great challenging task is before them was to retain the heritage look what we had, and the Dayspring has done very beautifully. They have done background of the wallpaper, and also new addition to the structure was installing the cross on the altar, and they have also fixed blue tinted glass on the windows. They also helped us with the polishing of the church doors. So I thank Dayspring India Private Limited.